A voters awareness portal has plans to launch Voters Yatra to encourage voters to vote freely. The former India Minister Raju has now joined Praja Rajyam Party. These and others in a brief news capsule. A unique voters awareness portal, www.indiavoting.com, has been launched to spread awareness on exercise of franchisee. Tripathi, organizer of the portal, said a 60 days voters yatra will begin from Warangal to spread voters awareness in the state. The voter yatra campaign will visit 100 assembly segments in Andhra Pradesh.
That at this particular point in time, for the next 2 months, there will be a Kumbh Mela across India, with 543 constituencies going to elect, all states going to elect. We have sections like Satyamev Jayate, where we are trying to various facts that have been there but they have not been researched and presented in the right format. We are trying to present that. We have a detailed section on graphs which are covering every facet of elections. For example, which is actually covering and giving details on constituency.
The Lok Sabha party has plans to align with the BC United Front in the Assembly and Lok Sabha elections. Lok Sabha party president Jay Prakash said 14 seats were allotted to the BC United Front as part of the alliance. JP said he will soon launch the second Rail Yatra on another crucial public issue soon. R. Krishnaiah, president of the BC Front, participated in the meeting. The former NDA minister U. Krishnam Raju has resigned from the BJP and joined the Praja Rajyam party. Krishnam Raju was admitted into the party by Chiranjeevi on Tuesday. Raju said he had joined PRP to fulfill his goal to serve the people of the state. The Praja Rajyam party has filed a petition in the Supreme Court seeking common symbol for the election 2009. The party, founded by actor turned politician Chiranjeevi, has sought shelter of the court after the Election Commission rejected its request for a common symbol. The party has also begun alternative exercises in the symbol issue. The Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin MIM has released its list of candidates for the election 2009. It has declared the candidature of sitting MP Asaduddin Owaisi for Hyderabad for the second term. The MIM also announced the candidature of Mumtaz Khan from Yakutpura, Murlidhar from Rajendra Nagar, Virasat Rasul Khan from Nampalli and Akbaruddin Owaisi from Chandran Gutta. Bureau reports, DD News.